Welcome back to Chord World.
Thanks. Which one do we study today?
Which ones? As I said in the introduction, we'll go for two of them.
Okay, I'm ready. Starting from the bottom, place your forefinger on the second string, first fret. Then your middle finger on the fourth string, second fret. And your ring finger on the fifth string, third fret.
This is the C chord. All the sounds belong to this chord. So feel free to strum all the strings.
As usual, check for the clearness of sound in each string.
Now let's see the G chord.
Again, starting from the bottom, place your middle finger on the fifth string, second fret. Then your ring finger on the sixth string, third fret. And your pinky on the first string, third fret.
You can strum all the strings in this case too.
Why don't we use the forefinger as in the other chords?
Well, there is a reason, but I must ask you to simply trust me for now.
Alright, I trust you.
Thanks.